So have you ever wondered which steel trimmer guard is better? Probably seen a few different ones on different makes and models. So this is the larger one that comes on the FS94 and a few other trimmers. Again, this will vary where you are in the world. So that's your standard large type one. So this one comes on the standard strimmer attachment, the combi attachment, and it probably comes on a few other smaller style trimmers. So things to take into consideration. I'm not sure on the working line width. I don't know whether they're similar. Yeah, I think they're the same actually. So again, it says here, look, working diameter 420. And that one says it there as well. So yeah, both guards produce a 420mm cutting width. Now, which should you go for? If you don't do any flip edging, and what flip edging is when you turn your strimmer vertically like that and use that to trim edges and stuff. So if you don't use your strimmer for that and you're just using, you know, normal mowing practices, and you want more of a safety guard which will stop debris flying and stuff, this is the one you want to get. There you go, look, 4180, 716, 3200. And that's your smaller, sleeker model. And with this one, you can flip edge quite comfortably and be able to see where your line's cutting. This one, all-rounder, general purpose. That's the part number in there, look. I'm also impressed with STIHL as well. Whether they've been secretly watching my videos and taking advice, but this cutter seems quite sharp, which is not normally the case. So good job STIHL, that feels quite good. Don't need to give that a pre-sharpen. I had to pre-sharpen this one though. So yeah, whenever you do get a new guard, check these line cutters are razor sharp, because when you bump your head, you want this line cut cleanly and quickly. You don't want to have to keep, you know, slapping that down and this, so you'll hear it smashing into that and not cutting cleanly. So another little tip there, keep these razor sharp. So just a couple of little differences between these two. This one for more protection, this one all-rounder to be able to strim along edges as well. A little bit lighter as well, this one, as opposed to this one. Not much in it, but yeah. There's obviously various different ones you can get without this cutter for brush cutter blades and stuff like that. But these are the two main modern mowing ones. So STIHL, if you are watching, also design these so they're smooth on the inside. There's nothing worse than having to clean these out and you've got all these stupid ridges, which I don't think they serve a purpose. If I'm wrong, someone let me know what they're designed for. Yeah, that just makes it a pain in the ass trying to clean these out. So ideally you want this inside completely smooth, so you can just easily get your scraper and clean them out. Yes, I hope that helps. Leave me a thumbs up, be much appreciated. Any questions, let me know down below. And yeah, cheers for watching.